guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair. They sent me 2 wigs, but for this video we're going to be going through their closure wig that they sent me. Now this is a very natural unit. You guys love the curly hair that they sent me last time. That was a frontal, but this time it's a closure. So here's the goodies that comes in the box and everything. And then the wig that they sent me is a 4x4 closure, and it is their Afro curly unit. Now this is probably one of the most natural wigs I've received. It mimics natural hair so well. And it comes with an elastic band already attached to it, so this will be a glueless unit. So I'm just gonna put my wig cap on. I'm not doing the ball cap method because you guys know I very rarely do it. Here's how the wig looks. I'm just gonna cut off the little thick part on the side of the closure, just because it's hard to melt that, so it's just best to cut them off. And then this is what it should look like after. I already plucked the hairline. I didn't have to do too much plucking, and then I did bleach the knots as well. So I'm just gonna put it on. This is how I put the wig on, very simple. And then I'm gonna take my She Is Bomb mousse. Now this is a tinted mousse, so it's tinted to my skin color. I got the caramel color, and I'm just gonna put it on the lace. This was my first time trying this product and I absolutely loved it. Perfect for a glueless unit because it has a tint already, so I don't have to put makeup or lace tint on the lace. I could just put the mousse on, and it's perfect for your edges too because it holds the edges down well. And then I'm just gonna take off my baby hairs. I did do a little dramatic for this part, but towards the end I'm just gonna kind of make them look a little bit more natural. So yeah, but I'm just gonna cut them off and then put the elastic band on, and then I'm gonna style the hair just by putting mousse, just regular TGIN curly foam mousse and water, and we're just gonna brush through it, and then yeah, you guys will see the end result soon. So here we're just gonna style the hair with the TGIN mousse and water. My spray bottle broke, so I had to use this little mini bottle, so it was hard for me to get the hair really drenched, but I made it work. So I'm literally just using water and mousse and brushing it. That's how I get the curls to clump and everything. I always get questions of how I do my curly units. I literally just do water and mousse or water and conditioner, but in this video I'm just using water and mousse and then brushing it through just a regular, I'm using just a regular paddle brush. You use a paddle brush or a dimming brush, whatever you want. Just brush through it and then like rake it and just make sure it's clumped, and that's how you get, you know, that really natural curly look. Okay, so we're gonna take the elastic band off, and here's how she's looking. No glue or anything. I just used the mousse and then put the band on, and that's how I get it to be this glueless unit. Perfect for everyday use. And I'm just gonna cut some very slight layers on the front just because the hair is pretty much shaped well. So I'm just cutting a little layers in the front to shape my face, nothing too crazy. And then yeah, this is the final result. I love this wig. Very natural, very easy to just throw on and everything. It looks super cute, very natural and everything. This will be perfect for my girls who are already natural, and they want to transition to wigs. It's good for a bad hair day. If you have a bad hair day, you can just throw it on or whatever, you know. It's just it's a like must-have wig if you like the natural look. So I do recommend this wig. Based on what they sent me, I do recommend it, but do your research on the wig before buying it. Don't just rely on my review. But based on what they sent me, I love the hair. Everything will be linked down below. This is a complete glueless unit, and it's secure with this elastic band. Just love it. Super cute. Look at that. Just so cute. But yeah, everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.